game change, yeah.
Today we're spending 24 hours in New York City wearing Apple Vision Pros. I have my roommates here from the Content Closet, Tejas and Colt. We're gonna do 5 real life challenges. Whoever wins the most out of the 5 gets to pay for all 3 Apple Vision Pros. Let's get into it.
What? All these screens are flickering.
Oh yeah.
The amount of stimulation in my brain right now is insane.
So our very first challenge of the 5 is we have to FaceTime our mom, and whoever's mom says I love you back first wins. Siri, FaceTime mom.
Hey Siri, FaceTime mom.
Come on, mom. Come on, mom. Pick up.
Hey mom.
Mom, pick up.
Mom.
No.
Mom, how are you? No, mom, I love you. What do you mean okay? What do you mean okay?
You don't believe that it's me?
It is beautiful. I say I love you.
Oh, she hung up on me.
What do you say back? Yeah, she said it. My mom said it.
It was me.
It was exactly looking like you, but it was kind of faking.
This is Shervin. What? So you need to send us some money. Can you send us money? You owe us $10,000.
In Amazon gift cards.
Bitcoin.
Why are you guys naked? Dude, that laugh looks so fake.
Oh, bye-bye. Love you. Okay, so the FaceTime thing was super easy, and then it's very easy to add people using Siri. I think if people don't know what the Apple Vision Pro is or your persona, they might think it's fake and it could be like a scammer. I know my parents have been scammed before, so they've become very diligent and protective. If I had told them before, maybe they would have been fine. And now we're gonna subway to the coffee shop and see what using the Apple Vision Pro on the subway is like. Use Apple Pay Express Transit to go in. Just like that.
Oh, that's nice.
Hey. Dude, people are looking at me. How do you do travel mode?
Go to Control Center.
Yep. Under Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Travel mode, I see it.
Under Wi-Fi, you tap the goggles.
All right. Remain stationary in travel mode.
Dude, I can literally scroll TikTok
Wow.
in the subway station.
Holy crap, dude. I don't know how to explain that we're in a subway right now, but I'm on top of like snow hills.
Oh, I can check the train times.
Or we can just check right there.
3 minutes away.
Shervin, you should stand back. Safety on Shervin.
Alright, our second challenge of the day is who can text message their dad and say I love you with a set from Apple Vision Pro on iMessage.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
I love you.
Wait, you can't, wait. You
never told me the rules. I sent it.
Dad.
This is a wild scene. I love you, then what?
Love. Yeah, you have to say.
My thing's not sending.
Uh-oh, you don't have connection. Oh, you didn't hotspot it, did you?
I did.
You're not supposed to do this, by the way, but hey.
Not recommended by Apple. Subway's lame. Going back to Joshua Tree. Oh my god.
TikTok's not loading. What should I do?
We've been wearing this for like 3 hours now, and I feel like a dent in my forehead right now.
I'm already getting nauseous by walking. How's it going? It's okay. I guess it's like real you, but it's also slightly pixelated.
Not right now.
All right, there we go. Thank you.
Oh shoot, dude, that's weird. My lip should be right here.
Okay, so we need to write a 2-page essay on loneliness and why you think that technology could actually help or hurt loneliness. You need to make that argument for either or. Okay, 2 pages.
2 pages?
Yeah. So the first person to finish it wins. You ready?
Wait, have you already connected your laptop? I haven't. What?
So,
whoa, what? What is this?
One thing that my roommates didn't know is that you can connect the keyboard
shoot.
or your Mac, but I brought my keyboard and mouse. So here we go. Trackpad is connected.
Whoa. I feel so left out right now.
It didn't connect?
No.
You have to look at it and then you see the connect screen right above your laptop.
Nope.
Alright, lovely.
Nothing, bro.
Okay, so write me a 2-page essay on why people are going to be less lonely with a case of spatial computing, Apple Vision Pro.
Whoa.
No, write it for me, bro.
Wait, this is actually absurd.
I'm gonna write it in notes.
Why is this not working?
Look at the future. 2-page
Oh, no.
essays. AI
Hold up.
writing it for me. Sitting at a coffee shop.
Oh no, I literally thought I was gonna win. Open up Microsoft Word, put the window over here. Okay, this is my 2-page essay. Oh, here we go. How do I copy? Oh no.
My SNY.
Okay, in terms of interacting with the device, it was super seamless. ChatGPT, for some reason, just wasn't working with my keyboard. Microsoft Word, seamless with the keyboard and the mouse, being able to kind of click around. Like, this is a massive screen.
Cole, what are you doing?
My hands
I'm
are
trying to
freezing.
connect, bro. It's not connecting.
Okay.
And I thought it was gonna be a gimmick, but it's actually very nice. Like, it is crystal clear, the screen that I have here. I feel like I can work like this legitimately for a long time. This is crazy.
Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications, because living in New York City with it is kind of crazy. We're gonna do something even bigger. We're content creators. We spent $15,000 on Apple Vision Pros for a YouTube video.
Do you want to take a moment to do a mindfulness? You seem a little stressed.
No.
Now that we're walking around, it's like the ground is like warping a little bit. Mixed with this coffee,
Doesn't help.
doesn't help.
Oh, dude, this looks good right here.
What?
Dude, this is like. Already?
Yeah.
Dang, dude. We're Shervin. Oh, Sherv.
Nature's too boring. So I'm watching a Shervin Shares video while walking down the Highline.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Good old New York City.
Shervin, I have your broken foot right here and the most beautiful street view I've ever seen.
Look at all those great videos that you can watch right here.
Yo, not gonna lie, it's getting a little heavy now.
Is it? Sounds like you need to do some neck exercises. We're about to Uber, so let's see what it's like wearing the Apple Vision Pro in a car with 3 people. In Cole.
Oh, there we go. Oh no. Oh, mine thing's glitching right now. Oh shoot.
I'm gonna vomit.
I'm staying
First
strong.
experience in a moving vehicle, I can't do it. I'm out.
Like nausea levels as soon as we just sat down went from like a 2 to like a 6.
Are you watching my video?
Wait, where's that coming from?
That
It's
sounds,
Tejas' headset.
that sounds like it's like in my
so
conscience.
loud, yeah.
Yeah. Since you're winning all the points so far, we're gonna swap them out for another player.
What?
And we're gonna activate guest mode on his headset.
Wow. Oh, I see it. Yep.
Control center, and then below airplane mode, there's a person icon. Guest user. Tap that.
Share Apple Vision Pro within 5 minutes.
All right.
This
Yeah.
is my first time taking it off in 3 hours.
We have a guest. He's never tried the Apple Vision Pro. We're gonna see what his thoughts are and make him do a yoga class with us.
Yo, it actually is
Ready?
nuts. Oh wow, yo, Cole, disagree. Like with the Quest 3, when you do the Passover mode, I feel like it looks like 480p. This is much better than I thought.
Is this 720p or 1080?
It's
said
not
it is-
1080 for sure. It's definitely not
It's real life.
1080.
I don't think it's real life.
But man, it does feel like you're in a different reality.
So find a moment or two here to find a little movement.
Alrighty.
Cole's just doing push-ups.
I don't know if I'd work out or do a yoga class with the headset on. It could be cool to have an immersive experience, but I think just having a TV or your phone is probably better because you just want to wear less things during any kind of fitness or health related stuff. And then if I could run and have like a heads-up display, if this was way lighter, that would be game changing.
I'm just curious if you could play basketball in this while watching a YouTube video.
Do not try this.
Yeah.
So I got a video pulled up here that says how to make the perfect free throw. Imagine it's a circle, she says.
Oh my god, I can't see it all. You can't see, like I can't see my hand right now. So that makes it hard.
You just gotta beat the ball. I can't see anything right here.
Now that we finished our workout, we need to eat. We're very hungry, so let's go watch some TV and eat some lunch. We're running out of juice, so I'm gonna daisy chain to another battery in my backpack.
Do I still get vitamin D if I don't see the sun? I thought that's how it works.
No, you absorb it.
You're not supposed to do this, but we're doing it. Up a bit. Now it is lunchtime, and this is our last and final challenge. You have to figure out your macros, and you have to finish eating it.
Wait,
Okay?
what?
The macros for this meal.
How?
Hey Siri, open Safari.
Hey Siri, open Safari.
Hey Siri, open Safari.
Lolo's empanadas beef macros.
Oh my god, his thing typed into mine. Lit. 744 calories.
You know what's nice? When you're using your phone and you're eating, your hands get really dirty. But now because my hands are dirty, I just touch this in space.
Hey,
Oh,
Siri, take
you
a
also have to
screenshot.
watch a movie.
I'm full Apple TV mode right now. I can't see anything. Oh,
Really?
Play the free episode on Apple TV.
Honestly, this is nice. Watching and eating, and it's like right here.
I think changing the volume, selecting things, pausing, going forward, seamless.
For the utility I'm getting, is it worth the current price point? For me, no. But I think everyone should try this. It is actually very, very. It's a wild experience.
I can literally see the future right now.
Yeah.
For $3,500, I would save your money.
But having a massive screen that I can watch something where no one else sees what I'm watching, the audio can come through here or the headphones is absolutely amazing. I just feel weird using it because everyone just looks at you, but maybe this will be normal one day. We're actually gonna travel the entire world with the Apple Vision Pro, so turn on your notifications to see that video. But it looks like Tejas was the overall winner, so congratulations Tejas, the $13,000 bill is now yours.
Nice job, Tejas. Vision Bros out.
Vision Bros out.